Hey BD Tool customers, it's August and it's freaking hot, really hot. Check this out. So we have a great deal going on right now. We have our Dewalt fan. This is a 20 volt Dewalt job site fan. It is run by a Dewalt battery or a Mac battery, 20 volt. And this is a great cordless job site fan. Real nice if you're working in a car, you want to get some breeze going in there, you work doing some dash work, whatever the case may be. Even if you're doing camping, I sold one to a gentleman who was going camping and he wanted to keep some fresh air moving around in the tent. Great deal. Now this is a bare tool, so it doesn't come with a battery, which is keeps the price of the fan down. It normally goes for 135 bucks, but check this out. Got the fan on sale right now for $99. But check this out. We have Dewalt charger, a Dewalt 3 amp hour battery. This is a $135 package, and right now I have a combo deal going. Buy the fan, buy the charger and the battery for $175. That's saving you $95. That's a great deal. So just 175 bucks, fan, battery, charger, you're ready to rock and roll. And it's also, all of our Dewalt batteries work on Mac tools. All of our Mac tool batteries work on Dewalt tools, 20 to 20, 12 to 12. This here's a 20 volt, 20 volt, 20 volt. It'll work with everything, including big boy on sale. We do have the BWP152, one of the best impacts on the market, made in America. And this guy here is on sale right now while I have them for $535. That includes two 5 amp hour batteries, and it includes the tool and a charger. This has torque assist, and this will knock your socks off. It is a great impact, and it is available from your Mac Tools distributor and from me, your BD Tools distributor, for the customers on my route. So talk to me. Dewalt fan, battery and charger kit, $175. The Big Boy Mac Tools Made in America Impact on sale right now, $535, 2 batteries and a charger. Cannot go wrong. Hey BD Tool customers, Mac Tools Nation. Hey, thank you for watching our videos. We do appreciate whether it be a flyer video or whether it be an actual live video with a product in it. But do us a favor, please. Like the videos, subscribe to the channel, give it a big thumbs up, and let your coworkers know, because we do enjoy making the videos. We have fun doing them, but one of the reasons for this channel is to get the word out and to help our customers get better deals, help our customers get better savings and all. So please like the videos and let us know what you think. We always open suggestions, but share them around your work. Let your coworkers know, and we just have fun. So thank you very much for watching. We do appreciate you. And if you're not on my route, talk to your Mac Tools distributor. They have some great deals going on some of the same product that I'm showing you here. It's a great time right now to buy tools, because it's a great time to be a Mac Tools customer. So we do appreciate you, and thank you very, very much. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and help us grow this channel. Thank you.